Today I will walk you through a simple Java application called Book Search app. This app allows users to search for books using the Google Books API by entering a book title or author name. First, we need to import some key. Now let's key components of the code. First, java.io.io exception. It is used for IO exceptions, and java.net.url and java.net.http for making HTTP requests, and java.util.scanner for reading user inputs, org.json.json array, and org.json.json object for parsing JSON data. API key. Now API key, we define a constant API key that holds our Google Books API key. Remember to place this with your actual API key when you run the program. Now when we are go through the main code, the main method is where the program starts. It prompts the user to enter a book title or author name using scanner class or scanner object to searching books method. Now we create a search book method. In this method, takes the user input and constant construct a URL to query the Google Book API. It uses URL encoder.encode to handle spaces and specific characters in the query. The response from the API is captured to an HTTP response string object. Handling response. Response status is 200. We call it parse book result to process the result. If there is an error, we print out the book status and response body for debugging. Parsing JSON results. In parse book result string JSON response method, we convert the response into a JSON object. We check if an book was returned. If not, we inform the user book for each book found. We extract details like title, author, publisher, and description, then print out them. Now conclusion. In the conclusion, this application demonstrates how to interact with a web API in Java, handles JSON data, and provides user-friendly output. We can enhance this app further by adding features like error handling or invalid queries, or improving the user interface. Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask questions to try running this code yourself. Output. This is the expected output. When we enter a book details, a book name or author name, we will get the details like and title and author, publishers, and description of that book. We are getting two books because the Harry Potter has two books. Like first book is Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, and the second book is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. They are and the author is J.K. Rowling and publishers is Scholastic Inc.